Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. A total new topic today, something not very often seen on this channel, something Roman. Maybe you already have seen my tutorial, this one. Check it out, it's a fighting arena. This is great in every possible D&D situation, but especially in old Roman Empire we have these games with gladiators, you know that.
Hispanicus, Hispanicus, Hispanicus!
Now I need something more. I need an entrance for an old mountain temple. I wrote this ancient Greek sentence that is gnothi zeuton. This is like know yourself, okay? It's a very old Greek sentence. So Roman, Greek, it's not important. I like this style. Even if this building seems very complicated, this is actually very simple. Even simpler than something that I built before. In this first part we will build this with particular attention to this part that is called tympanum. And even if it seems very complicated, it's very simple to do. This one it's in resin, but it's just because I want to create more pieces like this one. So actually I created a mold. Stay a while and listen. So we are near Christmas, so it's very easy to find these crib statues. These are very little, around 2.5 centimeter each one. First of all, I'm cutting the bases, so I will use them as sculptures for the tympanum. I'm using statues that have a normal, let's say not so complicated shape, and we will put later, after we create the final piece with the resin, a lot of details such shields, swords and stuff like that. This entire process is made for create a piece that can be put in a mold, and so we can create copies of that. But remember, you can just create the one piece and use it on your building like that. This is a nice trick. I'm using a piece of foam, a scrap piece but with a straight side that I used for my circular pieces. I put my column inside the circle so I can cut the column in half. Check it out. After almost 6 hours, our silicone mold is ready. I hope so. And this is the moment where I'm totally scared because I need to trust the silicone, and all the time I never know if this will be a success or a total disaster. So we had a little problem here. You can see there is a little leakage here. So some silicone exit from here. Yeah, I'm quite scared. I hope this will
Trust the silicone, Max.
I was saying, yes, in this moment I'm very scared, so I need...
Use the crafting, Max.
Did you hear that? Okay, I will. Trust the silicone. Let's check this. I'm afraid it's too complex. Yeah. Quite difficult, okay? Quite difficult. But the only way to know if it is okay, it's to use some resin. Crack on! Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!